To go to the hospital and see my grandpa because he's very ill and try to hug him and give him a kiss.
We can make cookies with our friends.
We give presents to my mom and we help them do the Christmas tree.
To make someone feel happy, I will give them a big hug.
I would invite them so they wouldn't be alone.
You can invite your friends to a play date and don't leave them out. Eu vou dar beijinhos, dar abraços.
Invite them to do something special together and show how important you are.
Include people and friends in what you do.
Include them in hangouts and when you go out with your friends.
I would like to make a present or make them feel better. You could give them a Christmas cracker or you could give them a present.
Interact with them more and make sure they are connected with others.
Do fun activities with them.
You make them a cup of hot chocolate and watch movies together.
Help them through tough times.
Playing with him and reading. Give a hug.
Tell her jokes and funny stories.
We play with them, we make friends and give hugs.
Make them feel well about themselves and make them feel good about themselves.
You should invite them to your home and make them feel welcome and include them in family traditions.
Invite them to your house and have dinner.
And be friendly.
Include them and love them. You can spend time with them so that they don't feel alone.
Keep showing appreciation.
Do a present for someone, or you can help charity so that they feel that they belong, or help a friend.
Buying them a Christmas present.
Volunteer at Ajudares.
Maybe invite them to your house.
We can include them in activities and give them gifts. Give someone a compliment.
Love them.
Go and visit them. Give them a hug!